Hey everybody, it's the Doll Boy, and today I'm back once again with another LOL OMG video. I know that I've been doing quite a lot of OMG doll videos lately, with my busy BB videos and my speedster review as well. But I'm really enjoying these dolls at the moment, so when I found this LOL Amazing Surprise set with a really good discount on Amazon, I couldn't pass on these, since I really love the style of Uptown Girl when I saw her pictures. I do want to quickly mention for everyone who wants to get this set from Amazon that it came shipped directly like this, without any other box around it whatsoever. So if you want to get this as a present for someone else, or you don't like people seeing you getting dolls, please be aware of that. So, the box says it comes with 14 exclusive dolls. I do know that the OMG dolls that this set comes with are getting separate releases now as well, but I have no idea if the same goes for the little LOL figures. The box says it has two playsets, Uptown and Downtown. And as I said, it has 14 exclusive dolls and it has 70 plus surprises. And it's also supposed to be the ultimate unboxing experience. On the top, it shows you the two different families we're gonna get. And now, let's get this set opened. Inside, we find another box that says read the instructions before starting. So that's exactly what we'll do. This is the instruction pamphlet it comes with, that has this map of the city as well, which is a pretty cute detail. On the instruction it reads, amazing news! Downtown BB and Uptown Girl are each opening a pop-up store in the city, but they need your help. So what we're gonna do now is basically find all the surprises in the correct order. I do really love this concept because this unboxing experience really feels like you're playing a board game. In the first box I opened, there was this surprise bag, and we have our first little baby sister. Then we go to box number 2, which also has a surprise bag in it, which are LOL OMG shoes. Since I got this set mainly for the OMG dolls, I really like that these are mixed in as well, because I only expected the OMG accessories to come at the very end. Then I opened box 3 and found another bag in it. What I noticed is that you can clearly tell which surprises are gonna be for Uptown Girl and which ones are meant to be for Downtown BB. I really do like this personal touch a lot. So in this bag are these little shorts for an LOL surprise doll. I honestly am not familiar with these LOL surprise dolls at all, so if I don't explain everything perfectly, please forgive me. The next box has these shoes for an LOL surprise doll. Then we have surprise box number 5 that has surprise bag number 6 behind it. The surprise for number 5 seems to be a bit bigger, and it also has a sticker of a little dog. And it also contains the actual dog. This one actually has some movement in the legs and the head, which is pretty cute. Number 6 is the top, that matches the shorts we found previously. Now the instructions tell me that I have to pull the tab on the sides to unzip and clear away the clouds. When doing this, please beware of how you hold the box, because all the surprises could fall out. Luckily, I did manage to find the correct spots for most of the surprises again, mainly because they do create one big image when you put them all together. So thank you LOL Surprise for testing my puzzle skills as well. Then I was able to peacefully return to unbox number 7. This surprise bag held another top for a surprise doll. Number 8 are some glasses for a surprise doll, but these might actually fit some other dolls as well, which I'm definitely gonna try out for some Instagram pictures. Then next up are some more tiny shoes. Also, I wanted to mention that at this point, I found out that the instructions also have a really clear map that shows you where the different numbers are, so you can find the correct numbers way quicker. The next surprise are these hair clips that say yes and Queen that I believe are for Uptown Girl. Then we get a brush as a next surprise, and if you're a regular to my channel, you know that I do not classify brushes as surprises. If you don't know me yet, welcome, and please consider subscribing if you like this video so far. For the next box, we got this poster of an LOL surprise doll, and we got the actual doll as well. Since all the outfit pieces are surprises too, she's not wearing any clothes. She does come with another surprise that is a milk carton. In the next surprise, you'll find another top, and behind that there's this bracelet that most likely belongs to an OMG doll. After that, we also have a picture of a cat and the actual cat itself, which has similar articulation to the first dog we found. Then I found one piece of a heart key that'll play a big role later on. Then number 19 is this skirt with a camel print, and the next surprise is another pair of tiny shoes. For the next surprise, there's this blue mini skirt for an LOL surprise doll once again. And the next surprise is an LOL boy, which was pretty cute to find. The next surprise was this LOL OMG pair of red sunglasses. Honestly, at this point, I was really happy that there were finally some more OMG accessories, since these other surprises were really repetitive to me, because I'm not really interested in anything other than the OMG dolls. Then after that, we once again found a pair of LOL surprise pants with a similar pattern as the blue skirt we found previously. It does have some really nice golden details too. Next up, I found this pink hair LOL surprise boy. This one actually had some pretty interesting hair, since those short sides do have some type of different texture on it. It's not flocked or anything, but they did manage to get that hair look pretty well. Then we found some tiny red shoes, and a blue and black polo shirt as well. The next accessory is this belt for the OMG dolls. Next up, I found this LOL surprise doll with two blue ponytails and some painted on stockings. And her little baby sister was the next surprise. For surprise 32, we finally find that second pair of shoes for the OMG dolls. After that, we find another pet, which is this cat with her hair styled in a bun. Then 34 is literally just a little sticker in an empty box. Then we find another blue top, and this really cool drinking cup as well. Next up are these tiny pink shoes, and these amazing pearl OMG sunglasses. And then we found another pair of LOL surprise shoes. And another pet as well, but this one is actually a bunny with blue hair, which was a pretty funny combination to me. And then I found the other part of the key, which will be really important in a few moments. But first, I found some more camo pants and another LOL surprise boy that looked very similar to the other blue-haired boy that we found earlier. I also found a pair of blue shorts and a tiny doll magazine. Then there were these OMG earrings with a locket hanging down from one of them. And then there was another sticker. At this point I was getting really tired of all these stickers counting as surprises, as I was more than ready to get to the actual OMG dolls. But before that, I still found the last pink-haired LOL surprise doll and another pair of OMG earrings. And then it was finally time for surprise number 50 and 51. In the back of these boxes, you'll find these two really cool plastic carrying cases that actually have a handle on them, which is so smart. Then with that key we put together, you can open and close these boxes. For the dolls, you can simply take out that plastic cover to reveal the playset that have these really cool molded details, and a hanging rack and shelving space for your doll's accessories. Both boxes do have different molded fashions to match the personal styles of the doll. Then the dolls themselves are easily unboxable and come with a doll stand as well. Downtown BB also comes with a sticker and one garment bag that has a jacket with a really cool zipper detail and these camo pants that have an actual working belt. Those pants are definitely one of my favorite pieces for that entire doll. What I think is really cool is that you can actually hang up these fashions in the box. So this could also be a really fun way to display all your LOL OMG outfits. Then we also have Uptown Girl with that perfectly shaped rock hard hair that is gelled in place in these classy curls. She also comes with that little sticker, and since she was already falling down, I'm so happy that these dolls do come with their own doll stands. Uptown Girl also has her garment bag, and to be honest, this outfit was one of the reasons I really wanted this entire set, since she has this extremely cute and sophisticated jacket and skirt set that matches perfectly with that colored shirt she's wearing. The bow she comes with is actually velcroed in place, so if you want, she can also wear the outfit without that detail. Now, let's take a closer look at how the dolls come right out of the box. Downtown BB is wearing her dark blue hair in two ponytails with these straight across bangs. She is wearing a red, white and black one sleeve top with the sleeve being fishnet fabric. She comes with these biker shorts that have a checkered pattern on them, and her manicure is black and white. She does also have these checkered lips that I'm planning to repaint, and a little broken heart detail underneath her eyes. If you want to see a video where I try to repaint these lips, let me know in the comments below. Then Uptown Girl has this perfectly styled pink hair with a white stripe. She has blue eyeshadow and pink lips with a beauty mark. And her outfit is this white blouse with that removable bow and black short with shiny polka dots on them. Underneath that, she's wearing black fishnet stockings, and she finishes it off with these white socks. The outfits are all separate pieces that velcro in the back. For Uptown Girl's manicure, she's wearing this amazing purpley blue color that I really love. Then with the full outfits on, we've got Downtown BB wearing this jacket with that one sleeve peeking through, and these amazing pants with the belt secured. And as I said before, Uptown Girl looks so sophisticated and I really love her. If you love this video as much as I love the dolls, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. To see more looks I create with these dolls, and to see how they'll turn out after washing their hair and altering their face paint just a little, make sure to follow me on Instagram as well, @thedollboy. See you next time!